In this video, you'll learn how to find your transaction history on Binance. This guide will walk you through the steps to access and review your transactions efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Binance website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking this button, enter your account credentials and complete any necessary security verification to access your account. Once logged in, look for the orders or wallets section in the main navigation menu. This is usually situated on the top part of the interface. Click on either orders to view trade history or wallets to access your deposit and withdrawal transactions. The relevant section will provide organized access to your transaction history based on the type of activity you select. Next, you will need to filter your transaction records to find specific entries. Look for the date range selector, which allows you to specify the time frame for the transactions you wish to review. After setting the desired date range, apply additional filters if needed, such as trades, deposits, or withdrawals. Carefully scroll through the records that appear to find the transactions you are interested in, noting the timestamps and transaction IDs for reference. If available, consider using the search function to expedite the process. After filtering your transactions, take a moment to verify the details of each entry for accuracy. Make sure that the information matches your expectations. If necessary, you can save screenshots or export the transaction records for your own tracking or auditing purposes. Regular monitoring of your account activity is advisable to ensure everything is in order. If you notice any discrepancies or missing records, remember that contacting support is an option for assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.